This year we are at the Nashville Antique and Garden Show, and we are so thrilled to be here. Come on inside, I'm going to show you what our setup looks like. We wanted to show people here at the show that they can set up and grow a garden in Nashville, anywhere where they live. I don't know if you've seen HGTV, Better Homes and Gardens. The things that say home and garden, they often end up with more home than garden. So we're trying to bring as many plants into one place as we possibly can. We set up our rolling steel planters here to show how you can grow in a small space. We've got these huge bay laurel trees. I don't know if you know, but you can grow bay laurel outdoors or indoors, and it's a tree. This is all edible. Every one of these leaves is edible. All right, then we've got all of our favorite tools. We've got my pruners, my dibber. All of our favorite things are all stacked up here for all the gardeners. Then we have our standing cedar planters. These are wonderful for gardening in. You can stand up and garden. And then we planted up all these herbs into beautiful pots. We're giving away these salad garden seeds so people can grow their own salad mix. Then we have a few more pots and things back here. And then on this side, it's very much the same, but the showstopper, the best part of the show, is our raised beds and trellises. So let me show you that. So come on in through here. Let me show you. You've got two raised beds. These are three by 7, 2 feet tall, so easy to tend. And then they are packed with lettuces and bok choy. We've got mizuna in here, some sorrel, tons of herbs. And then we have honeysuckle and Carolina jessamine growing up over the arch trellis. So we're on a mission to get everybody in the world to have gardens set up in their backyard, side yard, front yard, on their patio or porch. So tell us in the comments where we should come next.